Hey guys, Tracey here from Uniquely Creative. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of our teacups from our teacup die. This die is quite limited now, and once they are all gone it is going to be discontinued, but I love it so much I'm going to show you how to make it with our beautiful July Gums and Roses collection. So I cut out 2 of the cups. So this is the cup. So I ran one through my machine that way, then I flipped the paper over and I run one through the machine that way, so that I end up with 2 cups that are halved. Okay, so what you actually want to do now is get a ruler or a straight edge. I've just got my acrylic block, and you want to fold the little tabs on both the bottom. Okay, so they're done, and you want to fold all of these embossed lines that we have on our side and base bit. Okay, so they all have been folded, and I'm going to do the other side as well. Then there's a whole bunch of lines across as well, so we're going to fold all of these lines too, and then we're going to start taping. Okay, so this little guy here goes underneath there, so we're just going to get some double-sided tape, and we're going to put on the middle ones, and we're going to put on the inside of our 2 teacups, and those are going to go down. I'm using the dotty side, but this would also look beautiful on the rose side. Okay, now we just need to fold up all of the insides and put some tape on those guys as well. Okay, so these go on a bit of an angle around the shape of the teacup, and then this guy goes on as much as of an angle as you want it. So that's one side done of the teacup. Now we're just going to do the other side of the teacup. Oops. Okay, so now we're going to get that angle, hopefully the same as the other side, and this angle. So there we go. So now we've got the teacup. So this teacup has been designed so it's got a little bit of height on here, so you can actually fold that in. You could actually use an edge punch along the edge. You could cut it shorter just to make it a shorter teacup. It's entirely what you want to do. I'm going to leave mine as the design. Then I've got these 2, so I'm actually going to put them like that. So I'm just going to layer my 2 bases up, and I'm going to stick down. Can't make my glue work. I might actually use some 450 glue on there for more permanency. There we go. So now I'm just going to decorate the front, and I'm going to fill this up with some cute little chocolate. So I'm just going to do my decorations on the front with some of these little cute flowers, and my teacup's done.